Hey everyone, welcome back! If you've ever wondered how AI agents actually think, how they decide what to do, and how they can search the internet like a human, this video is for you. Today, we're going to build a basic AI agent with a search tool from scratch. Not just a simple workflow, but something that can take a question, decide when it needs more information, use a search tool, and then come back with an answer. And the best part? You don't need to be a hardcore programmer to understand this. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what an AI agent really is, how it uses tools like search, and how you can start building your own. So let's break it down step by step. All right then, let's get started right now.
Hey everyone! In the last video, we built a simple workflow. Today we go a level higher, like we're building an AI agent. A workflow follows instructions. An agent thinks, decides, and reasons. Let's build one from scratch. This is the roadmap. We will set up a chat trigger, establish data awareness, add memory, integrate a Google search tool, and finally, deploy the agent live. We'll tackle each step one by one, and it should take about 20 minutes. The key difference is that a workflow follows a script, but an agent reads the room. A workflow executes predetermined steps, while an agent uses reasoning to choose the right tool and adapt its behavior based on context. You give the agent tools and it figures the rest out. First, we add the chat trigger and the AI agent node. Once they are connected, the LLM automatically knows the current date from its system context. When you ask it a reasoning question like, how many more days until Canada Day, the agent calculates the answer. That's the agent mindset. Without memory, every conversation is a blank slate. If you tell an agent your name and then start a new conversation and ask it again, it forgets. In the AI agent node, you'll see the memory section is empty by default. For this video, we'll use window buffer memory, which is great for getting started in demos and requires no setup. It persists only within the current session. For production, you could use post-rest or read as memory. We add the window buffer memory to the agent node and set the window to 10 messages. Now the agent remembers. Next, we add the Google search tool using SERP API. You get a key, paste it into the credentials field, and name it. Now, when you ask a question like, what are the latest AI tools in education in 2026? The agent decides on its own to use the tool, searches, and summarizes the results. You gave it the tool. It decided when to use it. Deployment is simple. Click Save, then toggle Activate. The toggle turns green, and your agent is live 24/7. You can share it via a chat link, embed it on a website, or connect it via webhook in API. One toggle and your agent is live with no server needed. To recap, we built 5 powerful components today: a 24/7 chat trigger, data awareness, short-term window buffer memory, the Google search tool for web access, and we deployed it live. We achieved all 5 in one session. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we will see all this happening practically. If you are excited, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also drop your use case in the comments below. See you in the next one.
All right, now you've seen how everything works behind the scenes. You understand how the agent thinks, how it chooses tools, and how the search process fits into the whole system. But understanding is one thing. Building it yourself is where the real learning happens. So now, let's take this from theory to reality. Let's start building our AI agent step by step.